Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip banana bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 large eggs on hand. Don't forget 1/2 cup of melted butter or oil for that perfect moist texture. Now let's get mixing. Start by mashing your 3 to 4 ripe bananas in a large bowl until they're mostly smooth with a few small lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, the 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Add the mashed bananas to the wet mixture. Then, gradually fold in the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, stir in your 1 cup of chocolate chips, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Pour your delicious batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. It should come out clean, perhaps with a few moist crumbs, but no wet batter. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 to 20 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing it while warm can make it crumbly, so patience is key for perfect slices. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chocolate chip banana bread. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.